On today's episode of Caterham Basics, we're going to look at a couple of simple process items, how to remove the bonnet and also the nose cone. Let's spend a couple of minutes running through the process. Now your first step is to remove the 4 clips holding the bonnet. Now there's 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. Then lift and remove the bonnet, storing it safely. We then have 4 Zeus fastenings, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom of the nose cone. A quick half turn of the screwdriver and these can be removed. The bottom ones are a little bit tricky to find, so you've generally got to have your head nice and far under the car to get access to it. And as you can see here, they can be a little bit fiddly to remove. With those done, the nose cone can then be unclipped and then brought forward, and just a careful squeeze past the headlights and then stored securely. Refitting is the exact opposite. Now you'll see here, again, it can be a little bit tricky just to find the right channel to get the nose in, but once it's on, you should be in place. And then again, a quick half turn in the opposite direction of all 4 Zeus fastenings. As before, 2 on the top and the previous 2 on the bottom. And the bottom ones, as you can see, same as they were to remove, can be a little bit fiddly to get back into place. We can then pop the bonnet back on, being careful around the shroud for the air intake. Once that's in place, we can then reattach all 4 clips. Now obviously it goes without saying to make sure all these 4 clips are redone before you drive away. And there we go, it's as simple as that. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you have any after sales questions, feel free to give the team a call at Caterham Gatwick on 01293 312 300. And as always, to configure your ideal Dream 7, click the link in the description below to access our online configurator.